The Apotheosis of Washington painting in the rotunda ceiling of the U.S. Capitol building features two groups with electrical importance. Firstly, the science group showcases Minerva, the goddess of wisdom, indicating an electric crank generator powering Leyden jars, observed by inventors Benjamin Franklin, Samuel F. B. Morse, and Robert Fulton. Secondly, the marine group portrays Neptune and Venus aiding in the laying of the transatlantic cable. The painting also includes a mechanics group displaying a steam engine. The Capitol building also houses at least two portraits of Samuel F. B. Morse, including a painting created by Morse in 1822 and a plaque honoring the centennial of the telegraph. It is also stated that Thomas Edison installed the initial lighting system in the Capitol building in 1885, followed by a comprehensive electrical system in the early 1900s, which involved filling the basement with generators. The program underscores the vital role of electricity in the late 19th century as a transformative event in American history.